Andrew. We are the Crafty Lumberjacks. Here we are in our neighborhood in Astoria, New York.
Yes, and even though it's the middle of the winter, somehow we lucked out with a beautiful day. We are so paranoid about getting sick. The flu has been going around New York City. We're constantly washing our hands, constantly trying new ways to stay healthy. And today we're gonna go to our local florist and pick up some eucalyptus.
Yeah, we've been seeing eucalyptus kind of pop up everywhere, and we just wanted to
make some projects with it.
It
always seems to make us feel good.
Yeah, let's go.
Here it is.
Oh, we love this place. Look at these flowers.
They have all these beautiful bunches of eucalyptus, and they're only $5 each for one bundle.
All right, let's get some. All these are 99 cents a yard.
I definitely have PP soap.
First, we're gonna make some soap. You need about 5 chunks of these in your glass here. We're gonna heat that up in the microwave. This is clear glycerin soap. The best way to go about heating this up is in the microwave, low and slow. We do it about 20-second intervals at a time. Check it, give it a stir. And then I'm also gonna cut off a piece of eucalyptus here. And we're gonna go pop this in the microwave. This was about 30 seconds. It's not there yet. I'm gonna just give it a little stir and then pop it back in. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna let that cool for a little bit. And then I'm going to add a bit of eucalyptus essential oils just to kind of bring out that scent. Now, a little trick here is to prevent bubbling or any kind of weird looking areas. We're gonna use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to kind of clear that away.
If we are not soap makers, there is an art to making soap, but we do our best. We're gonna let this dry, then pop it out and use it.
Yeah, we're using these right away, so we are using the fresh eucalyptus, but if you plan on using this for a bulk gift or it's gonna be sitting for a while, you wanna make sure you use the dried eucalyptus because the leaves will turn brown.
Yes.
Now we're gonna try to make some eucalyptus art for our bathroom. We are seriously turning it into a full-out spa and resort. We're using an old embroidery hoop we had. I'm gonna start with just adding some floral wire to some pieces of eucalyptus.
Now we've been seeing this a lot on the internet. We think it's so cute, and we just wanted to add our own little flair to it. I feel like the bathroom is kind of hard to decorate sometimes, so we're really excited about this one.
Totally. We got a yard for $1. We've used this all year. So we're just gonna use a little piece. I'm gonna wrap it, and I'm actually using the back side just because it's a little muted, and we kind of just like the way that looks better. And I'm gonna wrap that around my inner hoop. We love it! Now we just need a way to hang it. We found a piece of paracord that we really liked. It's bright blue. It will look perfect in our bathroom. You can use twine, of course, or anything that you have around the house. And I'm just gonna glue it to the back of my embroidery hoop here. And we already pre-measured, so I already know the size. And then we have our little hanging eucalyptus embroidery hoop. Flavor Flav!
All right, with our leftover eucalyptus, we are going to just tie it in a bundle with some twine, and we're gonna hang it in our shower. Get your use out of it. It starts to smell. Oh my gosh, it's so good.